Hey, it's David here, and I need you to really hear this. We're standing at a critical moment in U.S. immigration history. Right now, there are several major legal battles and policy shifts in motion, and if they move forward unchecked, they could reshape the lives of millions of immigrants. Let's break down what's being proposed. Trump has promised sweeping changes, mass deportations, the end of DACA, the dismantling of key asylum protections, severe limits on legal immigration, including family sponsorship and employment-based visas. This isn't just political talk. These are policy priorities with real consequences. If these changes go through, people who've been living and working here legally, dreamers, TPS holders, asylum seekers, could suddenly find themselves facing detention or deportation. Even folks with pending green cards or visa renewals could be hit by new restrictions, backlogs, or abrupt denials. And this won't just affect the undocumented. Skilled workers, students, and legal residents could also get caught in the crossfire of an aggressively tightened system. That's why attorneys across the country are urging clients to act now, while current laws and protections are still in place. Don't wait. File, renew, adjust your status, be proactive. But this is about more than just law and policy. It's about the tone being set across the country. If this agenda succeeds, the message will be loud and clear. Immigration is dangerous. Immigrants are the problem. And that could lead to more fear, more raids, and deeper division. Now is the time to prepare, smartly, legally, and urgently. Stick with me for part 2, where we'll explore what happens if the courts or Congress push back. What would it mean for immigrants and for Trump's political future?